And Steve from EstateMax coming to you live from Urbana, Maryland, just south of Frederick. We have an estate sale for you this weekend. This is your preview video. It's going to be September 27, 28, and 29, starting at 10 a.m. This is a super eclectic, super split up sale. So I'm going to go out of our usual order. Very heavy in books. We must have 1,000 books here or more in the collection. All titles from guns to religion to everything you see here. But everything you see in this preview video is priced to sell. I'm going to walk you through this room twice just because it's kind of voluminous. And I'll talk you through it a little bit too. So we're going to go through a second time. We have all kinds of collectible bobbleheads. We have collectible John Deere tractors. We have kids' toys. We have books everywhere. I mean, just books and books and books and books. And more bobbleheads. And we're still in the basement, so I'm going to talk you through a few things. Lots of bookcases for sale, let alone books. We have 3 drawers full of $2 DVDs, really good titles. We have no less than 4 flexible flyers, just in time for some snow. Some exercise equipment, including a Proform treadmill, a Proform exercise bike, original Lincoln logs, and a girl's dollhouse. I guess it could be a boy's. Pinball machine. This is actually a baseball stadium pinball machine game, complete and it works. Cute table and chair set. A couple of foils do not handle. That's a projector for video, a guitar, a keyboard, an original Louisville Slugger custom-made bat inscribed. We have bocce balls. We have croquet. We have a Bowie knife. We have a quiver set. Talk about eclectic. You go right from there to the large aquarium in great shape. Cool leather sofa waiting to be refurbished, and a Yamaha Clavinova. It's an electric piano. It's a very, very nice piece. Yamaha makes great pianos. More kids stuff and a kid's toy workbench. There's law enforcement in the family here, so you have various undercover rigs and holsters, breastplate, knee pads, ammunition packs. This house is really eclectic. Plastic models. There's a hammock back there. That's a really top quality Meade digital telescope with all the remote controls to keep you on the same star for your photography. Those are deep sea fishing rigs in the back there for your deep sea fishing. Here's your Meade box. Still in the basement, if you're hungry, we have Frosted Flakes, storage units, professional quality lacrosse stick, 2 sets of skis, those are Rosignol's. Back to food again. Here's the prepper room. We've got ball jars for doing your food storage racks, your obligatory Christmas, including some really nice wreaths, and more survival food waiting for you in cans in several parts of the house. Hope you like veggies. Still in the basement, we have camo. We have a large high-quality space heater. We have sleeping bags. We have a beautiful security safe. This will hold 28 long guns and a number of pistols. It's heavy, but it's priced really well. Yep, guns, guns, guns. Accessories and cleaning supplies for guns. We have targets. We have shotgun targets. We have lantern. We have shop lights. More in the garage. We have sleeping items such as these. Again, we're just taking a walk around. We'll go upstairs now. It's a great telescope. Again, we're still setting up. Address has not been announced yet. Sales very soon. We're shooting this out of order because we're not done setting up. Let's give you a shot of the kitchen though. Bookcases everywhere. Nice chair, more storage, more bookcases. Fireplace equipment. This is about a 300-pound wood-burning stove. Sectional unit. Beautiful quilt. Look at that. Some neat decor and artwork. Puzzles. Drawing set. Another put together plaything. Love this rug. We're in a little office area now. Super high quality chair. Another beautiful leather chair. Oak roll top desk. See the still pictures, you can see a picture of it closed down too. It's in great shape. Another pretty chair. Heading out through the pantry to the garage. Again, everything you see in this video is for sale. September 27, 28, and 29. The address will be announced the day before, on Thursday, on our Facebook page, cleverly entitled EstateMax. Also on EstateSales.net. You can see the still pictures from this ad on EstateSales.net right now. Just look up Urbana for sales on September 27th. Everything you see in this video is for sale. Brand new jack and some Nerf guns. Some cool tools. It's one of those cool, like, does everything ladders. There's a Toro, 6.5 horsepower. Kids' toys. Lots of miscellaneous tools. Lots and lots of miscellaneous tools. Come make us an offer on the ones not priced. There's a Craftsman set. Here's your hardware. Space heater. Nice maple woodworking desk over there. I'll show you the other side of that in a minute too. Outdoor stuff. And a Craftsman shop vac. That's a Remington electric chainsaw. Coming around, there's a Toro hedge trimmer. That is a Frigidaire. I think it's must be a 20 cubic foot upright freezer in perfect condition, selling at a steal price. That is a great freezer. Put a whole deer in that. Fiberglass ladder. Outdoor stuff and tools. Some nice shovels and buckets. Here's the front view of that bench I was telling you about. This is the edge of the bench there. This whole thing is very well built and it is for sale. So this is Steve from EstateMax saying come join Lori and me this coming Friday the 27th of September in Urbana, Maryland. It's going to be a cool sale. Let's go upstairs for a minute. These are video games we found laying around. Come get those quickly. In the master, we have a mini dog kennel and a massage chair. These things are great. Gotta try it. Some miscellaneous men's apparel. Some cool runners on the floor. And some neat artwork. Love that ship picture. Some nice kids' furniture. Yet another aquarium. And a matching end table. With a tree. More miscellaneous bedroom stuff and another aquarium. In a guest bedroom. Nice bed and frame. Buy the frame, we'll give you the mattress for free. Okay, Steve from EstateMax signing off, reminding you to come to Urbana, Maryland, just 25 minutes north of Rockville, worth the drive for this really cool and eclectic sale. See the still pictures on estatesales.net under Urbana.